All of you must love food, but as food is essential for living, similarly, proper digestion of food is also important. For taking energy from food, we need proper digestion. In our digestion system, so many organs work. So, our digestion process is teamwork of so many parts of our body. Today, we are going to discuss about them. First one is teeth. Teeth are also very important part of our smile and our personality. Do you know, children, that teeth are of two types, temporary and permanent? By the time a child is 2.5 years old, the first set of 20 teeth appears. The set of teeth in a child is called temporary teeth. They are also called milk teeth. By the age of 7 to 8 years, they start falling and permanent teeth took their place. The set of new teeth is called permanent teeth. They are usually 32 in number, but the number can vary from person to person, as some people have 4 wisdom teeth while some people have none of them. Next is the types of teeth. In our teeth, there are different types of teeth for different purposes. In the picture, you can see these teeth, which are in the front or of jaw, are called incisors. They are used for cutting and biting food. Number 2 are canines. In the picture, these are canines. These are used for tearing food. In flesh-eating animals, canines are bigger. Do you know which animals are flesh-eating? They only eat flesh and never eat any kind of vegetables. For example, lions and foxes. They are known as carnivores, but human is omnivorous. So we have different types of teeth in our mind, and our canines are comparatively small as compared to flesh-eating animals. Next are premolars. In the picture, these are premolars. Premolars have 4 sets in our jaw. It crush food and chew it. For chewing anything, we will need premolars. These are broad teeth next to the canines. Next are molars. In the picture, these are molars. Molars are 12 in all. They are bigger and flatter than the premolars, with a broader upper surface to chew and grind the food out. While 4 molars grow later, which are known as wisdom teeth. In ancient time, human ate raw meat. For tearing and eating raw meat, he needed wisdom teeth. But these days, these wisdom teeth are of no use. So many people remove their wisdom teeth with the help of dentists. In this picture, these teeth are canines. Teeth are divided in incisors, canines, molars and premolars. Next is the parts of tooth. As you know, our tooth has also divided in many parts. Upper part is known as enamel, which is of white color. It is known as the hardest substance in human body. Below the animal lies the hard dentine. Dentine is of brown color, shown in picture. Inside the dentine lies the pulp. Have you ever heard about RCT done to a teeth? When RCT done to a teeth, the pulp and the nerves present in the tooth are removed with instruments. As a result, we will not feel any kind of pain after RCT, and pins are placed in the place of empty pulp so that it can give support to a tooth. On the place of crown, artificial crown made up of porcelain is placed so that a tooth will look natural and more beautiful. Students, you must have heard about nerves. Do you know there are nerves also present in a tooth? Here, these are nerves and blood vessels present in a tooth which are related to a brain, and we feel pain. They are removed during RCT, and after these we will not feel any kind of pain. A tooth is placed between gums. Gums hold the tooth very tightly. If gums of a person are loose, then more part of tooth is visible than we usually see. So students, teeth are very important part of our body, so we should make sure that we should clean them twice a day and brush the top teeth downwards and the bottom teeth upward. Use a tongue cleaner to clean the tongue. As you know, more bacteria are present on tongue as compared to our teeth. Similarly, more good habits can make our teeth strong. Rinse your mouth after meals. Eat food that is healthy. Avoid junk food. Avoid eating too many sweets, sugary snack and soft drinks. They are harmful to our enamel. As a result, our white teeth will turn into yellow. Visit the dentist regularly for checkups. If you have a little problem in your teeth, then you should visit the dentist and take advice of him. Next is the digestive system. The process by which food is broken down into a simple form so that it can be easily taken in or absorbed by body is called digestive system. If we need energy from food, then we must break down them in very small particles. Our teeth break down the food in small pieces, and after this it goes to our digestion system. There are so many organs in our digestion system which help us to take energy from food. First part is mouth. The process of digestion starts in the mouth. Food is broken down by biting and chewing. The chewed food mixes with a liquid called saliva, which helps in digestion. As you all know, the saliva is present in our mouth every time. It mixes with the food. The teeth break down the food in small particles, and mixture with saliva go to food pipe. Food passes from the mouth through this thin long tube called the food pipe and reaches the stomach. Stomach is a sac-like organ where food is broken down further. As you all know, after chewing and mixing with saliva, our food take a jelly-like structure, and after this it goes to stomach for further broken process. Next is small intestine. Small intestine is food from stomach passes into the small intestine here. All the useful nutrients are absorbed by the blood and taken to all parts of body. So the main purpose or main function of intestine is to take nutrients from the food we eat. Next is liver. Liver is present under our food pipe. The main purpose of liver is to digestion our food. It produces juices that play an important role in digestion of food. The juice is naturally formed in a liver, but a person who is alcoholic or not eating very good or healthy food for a long time, his natural juice can increase and liver can swell, which can lead to indigestion. Next is large intestine. It holds the food that cannot be digested, absorbs water from it, and forms waste called feces. Next is anus. Anus is the last part of our digestion system. Feces are removed from the body through anus. As you know, our body system has waste. Similarly, to a factory where the products are produced and in the end waste is disposed of. So our body waste and food waste is disposed of through anus. For good digestion and healthy life, we should follow some good habits. Some of them are: always try to eat a balanced diet. Always eat clean, fresh and well cooked food. Always wash your hand before and after meal so that we can protect it from bacteria and germs. Eat fruits and vegetables every day. They will provide your body with minerals and vitamins as well as dietary fibers. Rinse your mouth well after meals. So these are the good habits for a healthy and good life. I hope you have understood, students. If you like my video, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. God bless you all. Thank you.